Mindful Materials is truly a by industry for industry organization. It was born out of HKS, one of the largest architect and design organizations in the world. A woman named Nancy Halsey was responsible for material selection, and HKS was getting a significant amount of requests from their owner clients saying, hey, we want to achieve LEED version 4 requirements, or we want to start to understand materials within our buildings. Can you help us? And they were then being forced to spend a significant amount of time going to every single manufacturer's website, trying to find environmental product declarations, health product declarations, declare labels, all in a different format, all in a different way. Is it compliant or not? Nobody could tell. So ultimately, they created a library that collects all manufacturer information in one place, all manufacturer sustainability data in one place. And Mindful Materials is essentially born. However, they realized that they couldn't just hold it. This could not be an HKS only thing. And they actually gifted it then to the entire industry because they realized that every other architect and designer or project team needed some sort of resource similar to that. HKS's role in this is pretty powerful. The gifts to the industry to enable the change is, I would say, incredible. So shout out to HKS for their amazing efforts and not holding it to themselves, because we can't keep doing that. Mindful Materials now, though, is more than just a library. It's a data hub that is a curated data hub. So we bring all the eco labels and standards API'd into one place. We also have manufacturers who own that data, connecting data and really making it a robust, trackable, back to the origin of where this information exists. In order to get into the Mindful Materials library, you have to meet certain criteria that was created by the industry on what actually is a mindful material, what actually is a sustainable product. And that criteria is then applied, and every product that goes into the library is then reviewed. We are also now evolving past just a data hub into a collaboration hub. So I've been talking a lot about the change that we all want to see. Mindful Materials being the only neutral place that is ultimately not fiscally owned by anyone. It's owned by the industry. We're all Mindful Materials. We're all part of Mindful Materials. We are creating a materials initiative where we have letters that every member of the value chain can sign on to make commitments surrounding the same framework, how owners, contractors, architects, designers, manufacturers can all rally behind the same 5 buckets: climate health, human health, ecosystem health, social health and equity in the circular economy. We all rally around the same framework of what is a mindful material, and all make commitments to action and then actually track and take action using the data hub. We can actually start to collectively move the needle. So how can we inspire and connect the dots on what everyone's doing throughout the industry and the ecosystem and define that same and similar framework so we can all move the needle together?